Welcome students. Today I'm teaching you science. Lesson number 1, nutrition in plants. Understand? So as you know, on the nutrition means the rich part of the food that we separate from the food. And all living beings that live on earth, they need food to grow, repair their body and sustain their life on the earth. And as you know that animals are also living beings, and plants require food because they are also living beings. Understand? Like human beings. But why they need energy? They need energy to do four things in their life. The one is obtain energy. If they work, if they want to work in their body, if they want to complete the process in their body, they need energy. The second one, obtain materials for growth. Like every living being, they also grow from little plants to bigger plant. Their leaf comes in their branches, so they need food to complete these processes. And as a living being, they repair their body part, damaged part, like when we humans cut their body, their stems, their branches, and animals bite their leaves, so they all these damage they repair with the help of food. And carry out life process means from doing photosynthesis and making food. All for this they need food. Understand? So plants are capable of making the very special quality of plants that they are food makers. Neither humans nor animals have the capability of making food. And you know what are nutrients? Nutrients are the parts of the food, like carbohydrate, minerals, vitamins, etc. etc. Understand? So now you are seeing here mode of nutrients. Nutrients means how they go, how we get, or the plants get, or the animal get. From where? Then this means the first one, plants prepare their food by using raw materials like water, carbon dioxide, and minerals. Means they directly take this water from the soil, carbon dioxide from the air, and minerals also from the soil. The process of utilizing of food by a living organism to obtain energy is called nutrition. Means the process they separate, they take out the important part of the food that we call nutrition, like we separate the carbohydrate, the fat, the protein, and use it in their essential process of life. There are two mode of nutrition as shown below. Means there are two kinds of nutrition method. The one is you are seeing here, the one is autotrophic and the next is heterotrophic. Autotrophic means by self, means खुद से बनाना, and heterotrophic means depend on others, means दूसरों पे निर्भर रहना. Understand? Next one is the autotrophs. I told you, no, autotroph by self, making of food by self. Plants that have chlorophyll trap the energy from the sun and prepare their own food. The chlorophyll, a green pigment that is found in the green pigment found in the leaves, and that trap the sun's energy, making in food. Such nutrition wherein the food is prepared by the organism itself is called autotrophic. Means autotrophic are the organism that make their food own self, जो अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं. Understand? No? The organisms capable of preparing their food are called autotroph. This is the definition. Understand? Make sure it. Autotrophs means the plants are autotrophs and we are all heterotrophs because we are A, unable to make their own food. Auto means self. Understand, they look at here. Auto means self, means yourself, and the tropos means nourishment. Nourishment means to fulfill all kinds of nutrition. And this, this process is called photosynthesis. You studied about it many times. Understand. Next is heterotrophic. Heterotrophic means that depends on their food for to others. Understand? Heterotrophic organisms are those who obtain food from other organisms. Means like we humans and the animals and other insects and the aquatic animals, they are all heterotrophic organisms because they depend on their food materials to the for the others. Understand? So we are called consumers. Understand? Living beings that make their own food are called consumers. And all animals and non-green plants like fungi, mushroom, that, so they are all come in there this category. Organisms that follow the heterotrophic mode of nutrition are called heterotrophs. This is the definition from here to here. Understand? And the very important process that is called photosynthesis. Understand? This is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, I told you and explained you in the previous class. In the classes, the photosynthesis is the process of making food by the plants in presence of carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, and it turns the food it makes the food in the form of glucose and save it in like a glucose. You are saying this is the definition, and this is photosynthesis. And one product is released by this process, and very important because plants take the oxygen, carbon dioxide, and release the oxygen for the environment. But this process stop in the night because night times there is no sunlight, so stomata will not work, so the process will remain closed. And in the night time plants release carbon dioxide like humans. Understand? This is the figure, you can see it here. The photosynthesis can be their light energy. The next one is car light energy they get from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air, and release the oxygen, take the carbon dioxide. And this is chlorophyll, green pigment. This is chlorophyll, and it helps. And they take the water and minerals from the soil downside. So in this whole process there are four things are require: water, minerals, light energy, carbon dioxide, and it will complete the process of photosynthesis. So your homework is write the definition of photosynthesis, one question. Second one, make this diagram on your copy. Understand? Third question, what are heterotrophs? Fourth question, who are consumers? Who is autotrophs? And why the organism need food in their life? These are the questions you have to write on your copy. Understand? So thank you for watching.